Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Chevy Cruze with a dead key fob. First, you'll need to access your vehicle. Look for a small button on the side of your key fob. Pressing it will release a hidden mechanical key. Next, locate the driver's side door handle. There's often a small cap covering the keyhole. Use your mechanical key to gently pry it off. Once the keyhole is visible, insert the mechanical key and turn it to unlock the door. Once inside, the next step is to start your engine using the fob override feature. Many Chevy Cruze models have a special pocket or slot, typically in the front cup holder or near the gear shift. Place your key fob flat into this designated area. This allows the car's system to detect the fob's unique signal, even if its internal battery is completely dead. With the fob in place, firmly press the brake pedal, then push the engine start/stop button to ignite your vehicle. Your key fob uses a small internal battery, usually a CR2032 3-volt coin cell, which powers its remote functions. When this battery dies, you can't unlock doors remotely or use the push button start normally. However, the car's override system can still read the fob's passive signal when it's placed in the special pocket. This is a clever backup, but remember to replace the battery as soon as possible to restore full functionality. Replacing your key fob battery is a simple process. First, remove the mechanical key from the fob. You'll then see a small slot where you can gently pry open the casing with a small flathead screwdriver. Carefully remove the old CR2032 3-volt battery. Insert a new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces down. Finally, snap the two halves of the key fob back together until it's secure, and reinsert the mechanical key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.